Good morning from the beautiful St. Lucia. I'm Brie.
And I'm Mike.
We're Chaos Cruisers, and we are going to take you on our day in St. Lucia. Are you excited?
Yes, I am. As you can see, there is a, at least I hope you can see the
rainbow. Oh no, it's going away! It's okay, we have a clip of it from earlier.
yeah, we'll flash that on the screen.
But we're so excited. We have a catamaran tour today, and then I think we're gonna do some exploring because it is just absolutely stunning here. So we'll take you through that experience, and we hope that you will enjoy.
And you're gonna follow the gentleman that gave you the sticker. He'll be the leading group. Forward first, just gonna give a few more minutes for everybody has to be here to get the stickers and all, so we can move all together. Then start moving deck 3 as well. And 23, you can, all 23 can allocate yourselves right on that side. Okay? Thank you. 24, okay? We might have...
I'm sorry, sir. She don't care.
Thank you.
Jesus. And we have our host here, the life jacket. Mikey Idris is on to the middle, and he's gonna do it to the front. He's also known as Creator. Not Margo Bay was also a lovely monk group, but the monk group is not the same as it was years ago. It's also famous for the flaming of Dr. Dolittle by Rex Harrison. We also, on our way out, we're also gonna see the Dolittle restaurant. If you look over on to your right, you're also gonna see the Dolittle ferry. And there's also next Flaming Hero is also known as Water by Michael King and Firepower by Sophia Loren. So right about now we're on to the lovely Bay of Marigo. So you're gonna have your lovely photos on the current moment, ladies and gents. And you can also see the lovely little yachts and also boats onto the bay. We also have our rum, our bulky rum, meaning the rum distillery, also known as the Marigo Bay rum, whereas the bulky flavor such as chocolate coffee, banana, peanut, spice, and also coconut. But my favorite one is also the chocolate coffee. If you love Baileys, the chocolate coffee might be the next in line. So right about now, ladies and gents, we are going back into the music until we make our way out of the hurricane home. of the fishing village known as Aslawe. Aslawe is also known as the Bay of Rape. It also got the name based on the fish which was caught in the bay known as the stingray. And Sarah is also famous for fish fries. But before COVID came along, they were going, I would say they would be swinging, having a good time. But when COVID came along, there were no more fish fries in Ansaray. But right about now, they are back in business. You're also gonna get your lovely fish, grilled, fried, and also steamed onto Ansaray.
You have a 20? I'm gonna give you 2 because you're nice.
Oh.
Feeling good?
Orange, sir, for you. That's good.